Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today I have another Icon 1970 Pontiac Trans Am. This is a very rare car because it's 4-speed and air conditioning. Came out of the Van Nuys plant with California emissions. Another rare thing. Polar white, bright blue interior. This is my favorite Trans Am. Iconic blue and white. So pretty. Two build sheets, PHS documents, original window sticker. This car was body off restored, about 2,500 miles. It's got 49,000 documented miles on it. All original sheet metal. Born with drivetrain. Got a Ram Air 400 Ram Air 3. Man, my favorite nose. Iconic shaker. So pretty. Safety track rear. Body color mirrors. Got the Formula steering wheel. Push button radio. Tinted glass. So nice. Air still runs on R12. And he's still got the plastic on the sills. Original seat belts. Man, this car is brand new. Sheesh. Formula steering wheel. Man, look at that. So cool. Iconic turn dash. Woo-wee. Man, absolutely fantastic. Push button radio. 4-speed. The Hurst shifter. I've never seen 4-speed with air, let alone California emissions. It's just brand new. Jeez. I love the low back seats too. So cool. Man, I wish I could afford this. It is beautiful. Man, this is the car that started it all. You have the original keys too. Check that out. So cool. Just gonna polish you. Oh my God, look at that. Again, this is the 400 motor. Dead brand new. Man, so pretty. We'll open that in a minute. Check this out. Where's my light? So I'm gonna get a little light on this. And original shielding. Power brakes. steering. Man, this car is unreal. Original motor. All the right tower clamps everywhere. GM hoses. Man, what an icon. So nice. I've never seen one so nice. So pretty. Even the terminals on the battery. Nice. Beautiful under here as well. So nice. Car literally belongs in a museum. Pretty. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. And check out our website, too. I probably took around 300 photos of this car today. Thanks a lot.